y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112. Let's make some slow cooker turtle pecan clusters. To your slow cooker or crock pot, you're going to start with the pecans. Now we're going to add the dark chocolate chips, semi-sweet, add our almond bark, don't forget the crumbs. You don't want to leave no chocolate behind. Alright, put the top on, turn it on low. You're going to cook it for about 2 hours. Check on it every so often to see if the chocolate started melting. This is what it looks like after an hour, slowly melting. I'm going to give it another 30 minutes before I check on it again. Alright, y'all, it's been a little over an hour and 30 minutes. We're going to see if we can give this a stir. Yes. I don't think this is enough chocolate, so I'm adding a cup of milk chocolate to the mix. The caramel and then we're going to scoop it onto parchment paper. That caramel is going to slowly melt in there, along with the extra chocolate chips we added in. Oh, I need to cut this off. I already got my baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Yeah, it definitely needed that extra cup of chocolate chips. Scoop this onto our parchment papers. It's gonna get a little messy, y'all. Smoothing it down. I don't want big clusters. Make them as big or as small as you want. As far as how many candies you get, it depends on the size of the candy that you're making. Okay, I got chocolate everywhere, but y'all, I scooped all of the clusters out onto 4 random pans. They look a bit of a hot mess at the moment as they are setting up, but they're gonna taste good, and that's what matters. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the pans in the freezer and some in the refrigerator to set up. I'm literally trying to find space to put all this candy so it can set up. So I am putting it inside of my smart toaster oven. It's a combo. It's not on. I'm just putting it in there so it can set up.